Hey y'all, I am here with a new video and this one is called the Packaging Pet Peeves Tag. Now I found a new person to watch on YouTube. Her name is Lauren Mae. I will link her down below. I have pretty much binge watched a lot of her videos, and since I'm watching so many of her videos, YouTube is suggesting some of her older videos to me, and one of them was the Packaging Pet Peeves Tag. And when I saw this, I was like, oh my god. Well, she did it and somebody originally came up with it, but she credits that person, but I forgot who it was because I watched so many videos since then. Anyways, so I'm watching this video and I'm like, I totally agree. Yes, that bothers me too. So I was like, you know what? I need to do this video. So let's just talk, because I have a lot of packaging pet peeves that I want to discuss, and we'll just talk about it. I got a lot. Let me get them over here. What do we got here? Let's see. And I'll probably miss a bunch because, like, when I was watching these videos, I was like, yes. And then I was like, but I threw those away, or I got rid of those, or I threw it away because I decluttered it because I hated the packaging or whatever, or because the packaging sucks so bad, I try to use it up to get it out of my collection. So a lot of these I have in my face, but some of these I don't because, like, I got rid of them. So if you have any packaging pet peeves, let me know down below and we can either agree and be like, yes girl, or we can be like, oh really? You didn't like it because of that? Oh, okay. So let's just start. I'm gonna reach over here with Wet n Wild. Wet n Wild has the most, So Wet n Wild has the most annoying packaging. They have the most inexpensive, best lipsticks ever in the whole wide world. But if you can see, all of my Wet n Wild lipsticks have lipstick on the side, because every time you go to put it in the cap, because they do not go down low enough, you're like, you know, you take it off and you're like, oh, I got it on. So if you're in a rush, don't use a Wet n Wild lipstick, because you're gonna get that shiz all over the top of the lid. And that is my biggest pet peeve with the Wet n Wild lipsticks. they are amazing colors, but the damn caps suck. Okay, ColourPop comes out with these amazing lip liners, but problem is, this one doesn't want to do it. Well, yeah, you don't want to prove me wrong. These aren't doing it. I'm gonna show you. I'm not wrong here. There it is. See, look. So some of the lip liners end up looking like that. Okay, now it's gone back in its home. And it's just annoying as hell, because your lip liners, when you take them out, can get broken, or you go to use it and it breaks, or it's just annoying in that sense. The product in itself is amazing, but that damn slipping out, I can't stand. So anything ColourPop that's made like this, like the eyeliners, just pain in the ass, and because of that reason, because it wants to slip out. So yes, go back, and then you gotta touch it, push it, there we go, push it back in. Okay, so yes, the same thing with ColourPop. Yes, I don't like that. Moving on. Tarte makes some amazing products. This Tarteist Pro Glow palette is actually really nice, with the exception of two things. This highlighter right here is very glittery, and I do not like it. I do not like it for that reason. This makes a really nice eyeshadow shade. It smells so good. I like it because it's, you know, a nice eyeshadow shade, but I don't like it as a highlighter. But I hate this whole packaging, like, system of opening so you got to open it like doors, you know, here's the steeple, here's the people, open the doors, and no, house, you know what I'm talking about? Yeah, this one. Here's the doors, here's the chapel, here's the steeple, open the doors, and here are the people. Yeah, that's that's basically what this mofo is. And I hate the fact that there's a cream product mixed in with the powder products. Let me hold it high enough so you can see it. So there's a cream product. I don't really use it. It's quite dark, but these are all really nice products, with the exception of that. It has glitter in it. And stop it. I really do like mostly everything in here, but I hate this whole opening up. You got to open this shit up in order to get to it. Don't like that. Smashbox has these. They have the Halo Foundation, and then this one is the Halo Glow. My button here has broken, like, so it just, so this will I'll never be able to travel with it. It's really nice because you don't have excessive powder on the outside. You grind it. It's a grinding system to get the powder out on top, but the lid is broken. And so I will never be able to travel with this. So this complete package fail. Yes. Moving on. I think I might be skipping around, but I'm so excited about this tag that I'm just like, here's what I got, people. So products that come like powdered, loose powders like this that end up all like up on the top. And then this is, if you know this product, it's the It Bye Pores. It gets all over the place. So it gets all over the place. Why can't they be like MAC? See this? MAC has this mesh dispenser up on top, and then the lid has like this little, stopper. So when you do close it, it's going to prevent product from getting on top. All companies, please take note from MAC packaging. I do feel like the MAC packaging is a little excessive on the outside, like you get so much plastic. But the way it is built is very nice because you're not going to get all that excess powder everywhere. You just tap, tap, tap on top of the mesh, and then you're able to get your product out. So really enjoy the MAC product for that. Something I've been really enjoying in the year of 2017, the last half of it, I found my Maybelline Fit Powder. I absolutely love this powder, but again, it's a mess. There's like product everywhere, and I feel like this square packaging is like, it's pretty big. It's like really big. So it's not able to be stored with everybody else. It has to be stored separately. Excuse me. Along the lines of Maybelline, let's talk about the foundations that they come up with. They don't have a pump. They're not a squeezy tube. They're in a jar. You have to pour it out onto your sponge. So when you want to use it, you pour it onto your sponge. So you might get too much. You might get, just enough, whatever. It's a pain in the ass. Why can't y'all just come out with a squeeze tube or a pump? Please, Maybelline. I don't know. The packaging is glass, so like if we're to say, maybe it's too much, too expensive, why not go to plastic packaging with the pump or go to a squeeze tube? Please, 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 Maybelline, let's step it up. Okay. So let's talk about bulky, annoying packaging. The founder of bulky, annoying packaging, and don't get me wrong, I love this makeup brand. I think the owner or the founder is, she's such a hoot. She's a laugh. Lauren Mae Beauty. I love her stuff. I have a whole drawer full of Lauren Mae stuff. But I prevent myself from buying more stuff because of the packaging. Like, she came out, let me tell you, I love her highlighters. Let me get them. I'm over here. I own 5 of the gilded, what are they called? Gelato Swirl Illuminators. I own 5 of them. Well, she came out with a trio exclusive to Ulta that just like sings to me. Oh. But the packaging is so damn bulky. She uses so much cardboard packaging. It's like so excessive. It's like, oh, Lauren Mae, please get it together, lady. And woman, stop with the excess packaging. She's an amazing brand, has amazing products, beautiful. Oh God, her stuff is so beautiful. But slim it down like this. This was amazing. You have such slim down packaging in these. Why did you have to go and ruin it with that stupid excessive cardboard packaging? Like I said, I love Lauren Mae. I love her as a person. I love her brand. I love the products that they put out. I just don't like a lot of her stuff, especially if it's like limited edition stuff, is so excessive and bulky in packaging. So let's continue with excessive bulky packaging. Tarte. You have this clutch. I love the stuff in it. Don't get me wrong. I love the stuff in it. This is beautiful stuff. I love their Amazonian clay blushes, and these shadows in this are nice, but I never reach for this because of the packaging. It's just so like non-makeup-y, you know? It's like, I don't know. I don't enjoy this. And it's not like, could you take this out? No. You can't take this out and use it as a clutch. It's just not, I just don't like it. I don't like the bulky packaging. I don't like the fact that it's like a non-makeup type packaging. It's like, it looks like a purse. It's beautiful. It would be beautiful as a purse, but that's the reason I don't use it. It's because of the stupid bulky packaging. I don't like it. I don't like it. All right. Something else. Urban Decay, packaging wise. Their original Urban Decay Naked palette in the cardboard, that was very nice, very simple. Voila, you open it up, it's a palette. They have this smoked palette that you have to unzip, and then, oops, I zipped it back up. Then you unzip it and it's like, it's excess. It's like, put everything really close together and let's get rid of anything excessive. So that's the reason probably why I don't reach for these things as often as I should. Beautiful products, but the darn packaging, this one is annoying as hell. So you have this really pretty, was the 15-year anniversary palette. You have this really pretty box, but you open it up and there's your eyeshadows, and then this thing does come out if you want it to. You gotta get something sharp. There you go. So this thing would come out and you have this. Why can't I just have a cover on it and then just call it quits? I guess it's so you can use your box at some point, because look how pretty. That's like velvet in there. This nice purple, royal purple. What do you call that? Deep purple. I don't know. This packaging is just excessive. It's annoying as hell. Beautiful stuff in here, but the packaging, and because it's mirrored, gets so dirty. That's another thing. Mirrored packaging is so beautiful, but look at that. You're always going to have nasty old fingerprints on it, and it's always going to look dirty. It's never going to look sleek and clean as it does when you first get it, and for that reason, I hate mirrored packaging. Like I said, it looks beautiful, but it's non-practical. It's never going to look clean, and because it's always going to show fingerprints or dust or dirt or whatever, smudge, foundation, concealer, whatever. It's just annoying packaging, mirrored packaging, and then this whole system of packaging I don't like. Just give me a flip top. Let me open it up as a palette, kind of like this, you know, let me open it up and use the palette and go from there. Here we go. Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette. This velvet packaging on the outside, I've thankfully kept mine semi-clean, but you can still see that there is a little bit of dirt on here. It's getting dirty. It Cosmetics, the Naturally Pretty palette, same thing. It has that velvet packaging. It's getting dirty. I don't like when makeup brands come out with this kind of packaging where it's just going to get dirty, and it's so annoying. Continuing on with dirty packaging, Lorac Mega Pro 3 palette. I used it today on my eyes. Beautiful palette, beautiful colors. You know, it has a nice large mirror, but it's got this white packaging that's dirty, and it's just always going to look dirty, and it's a pain in the ass. Why would a brand want to have this white rubbery packaging? Because they know it's going to end up looking dirty. One more thing, I need to grab it. Now, I had a few e.l.f. products like this. I got rid of them because I couldn't stand it and because they were cheap. You know, e.l.f. is cheaper. But the NARS packaging with the rubberness, it's all sticky. And this is Orgasm, a beautiful blush color. But because everything sticks to the sticky packaging, I can't freaking stand it. See, I don't know if can you see that? It's just sticky and it's gross. And both of my blushes are like that. This is Cactus Flower. It's a beautiful blush color, but the darn packaging is so sticky and I can't stand it for that reason, so I never reach for it. Beautiful, beautiful blushes that never get reached for because I just overlook it because I can't stand the packaging. So I believe that is it. I probably missed some things. Bulky packaging, packaging that gets dirty, packaging that's just a waste like the powders or the lipsticks, excessive packaging. I don't know. Those are my thoughts. Those are my packaging pet peeves. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget, if you like me, give me a big old thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that notification bell and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys. That sounded weird. Bye, guys. There we go. All right.
I am here with a new video, and this one. Hey y'all, I am here with a new video, and this was. See, you don't do a video in a week and a half, and you forget how to talk. And something is tickling my face. Okay.